I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with safety and access. Park the Taurus on level ground, turn the ignition off, and engage the parking brake so nothing moves while you work. Once done, lift the wiper arm straight off the windshield until it locks in the upright service position to expose the blade joint. Make sure to inspect the blade connector type, hook, pinch stab, or bayonet, because that determines how you release the old blade and why the next step differs. You now remove the worn blade. Press the release tab or pivot the retaining clip depending on the connector, and slide the old blade off the wiper arm. Make sure the replacement matches the adapter style so it will seat correctly. Alignment matters to prevent skipping and streaking. Slide the new blade onto the arm until it fully engages, then push or snap it until you hear a solid click. This confirms the securing mechanism is locked and ready for testing. Lower the armed wiper carefully back to the windshield so the spring and pivot aren't strained. Never let the arm slam down. Next, start the car and cycle the wipers through a few passes to confirm smooth, full coverage sweeps and no chatter. If you see streaks, skipping, or hear noise, make sure the blade is seated and the adapter clip is fully engaged. If persistent, check arm tension or swap for the other side to isolate whether the arm or blade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.